ఇట్లుంటే మాట్లాడచ్చు.
Okay, now. Why we are doing FIMM integration? Why we are doing FIMM integration?
By using this, we can simply get the information what the materials are by the MM.
Writing 2 modules.
We don't
Every
need to.
information comes from MM.
We don't need to.
Module.
They are
In FICO, we
FI is
pay the
related
payments
with-
related
FI is
vendors.
related with money, material. MM is related with materials management.
Okay. So in SAP, so that is general. Why we have FI and MM? They are connected. That is general. In SAP, what is so special about integration?
Automatically updated.
It is automatically updated in FI.
Yeah.
MM it is happening, FI automatically.
If purchases is recorded in FI, then materials will be updated in MM.
Real-time processing.
No. You are telling reverse, ma. If purchases are happening in FI, materials will be updated in MM.
Yeah. Raw materials.
No, you said, I'm repeating your sentence. You are saying if purchases are happening in FI, materials are recorded in MM.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, right?
AP is connected, sir.
All movements will be recorded in MM, and based on that, the financial impact will be recorded in FI.
Yeah, so here what is happening is, see, end of the day, what we want is, background noise, please. See, what is happening is, we are maintaining the material related data, quantity, material related data in MM. But the value of it, suppose there are 100 tires in the go down, that tires data, 100 tires quantity information, we are maintaining in the MM. But their value, that 100 tires, what is the value? We are maintaining in FI. In which where we are maintaining? In the GL account, in the raw material GL account. Correct. So now the requirement here is any change happening in the quantity of the material. Suppose if I purchase any raw material will be updated. So my FI should be updated. If I am issuing the material to production, again material is going down, so my GL account should be updated. Correct or not? So any change that is happening on the stock, correct, quantity of the stock in MM, it will have an effect on the value in the GL. Correct. Our GL should be updated. That is the requirement. Correct. Yeah. So now in general, apart from SAP, other softwares, what will happen is they will manually inform the goods clerk or stores clerk. He will manually inform that goods delivery notes will be there. They will pass it on to finance. Based on that, finance accountant will do the entries. Correct. So anybody working in Tally or something? Anybody in the class?
No, sir.
No,
sir. Yes, sir. In Tally, there is no option, sir.
In Tally, what they will do?
Sir, there is a
Consumption entries has to pass.
Correct. So entries, how they will be passed manually, right?
Manually, sir.
Right. So now here the goods clerk, they have to pass on the goods delivery note, or or they issue note, something they have to pass it on to the finance department, accountant, and accountant, based on that, accountant will update the accounts, finance. Correct. So it is happening. Yes.
You can connect each other to Tally, sir.
Your mic is not problematic, is there? It's very, very bad. Or we are not able to. Okay, it is, your mic is really bad actually. We are not able to hear anything. Okay, now. So now what I am saying that any changes, they are updated, but they were updating manually. Correct. So here, what is the problem when we are doing manually? If there is any delay on the goods clerk to inform us, correct? Or he is informing, but our accountant is slow. He is doing the delay in postage, correct? So if there is any delay anywhere here, or if he is forgetting to inform, yeah. So any problem anywhere through the system, what will happen? There will be discrepancies, right? So our FI will be saying something, our stock will be saying something. In the GL account, some value is there, but whereas in the godown, some other quantity is there, right? So mismatch will happen. So again, we have to sit one day, we have to reconcile. That is a big headache. That is one problem. Second thing, if there is any problem at any point of time, you cannot match them. Correct. So if there is a fire in the godown, right? You want to claim it. You have no correct value in the FI. So these problems are there. So that's why in SAP what we have is the modules are very closely integrated. Closely means what? So now any change happening on the MM side, we want it to be automatically updated in FI. So we are closely integrating our FI with MM so closely that whenever goods clerk is saying there is an increase, automatically FI will be corrected. If a goods clerk is saying I am issuing the goods, automatically FI will be corrected by the posting of automated entries. Okay. So remember this word, in FI will be automatically updated through what? Through automatic entries. Automatic FI entries. Right. So any change happening on the MM side, FI will be automatically updated by automatic entries. So who will post these entries? Nobody will post. Goods clerk will not post because he does not know finance. Our accountant also will not post, but who will post? System will post automatically. Is that clear? Yeah. So system will post automated FI entries here. That is the greatness about SAP. Okay. Now just understand in this situation, suppose, right? Suppose we have one accountant. Okay. One accountant, he has worked on Tally system. Right. Now recently he joined the SAP company. A company who is running on SAP. Now when he checked 5 minutes before, when he checked, it was showing 10,100 tires. Correct. So it will not show 100 tires here. It will show only 10,000 in the raw material account. Correct. So when accountant is checking the raw material account, it will show how much? 10,000. He checked 2 minutes before. So he went to have a cup of coffee, and after 5 minutes he came back. After 5 minutes, when he checked the same account, it was showing 15,000. Now he is really surprised. What happened? He will be looking, is anybody accessing my system without my knowledge? Correct now. So then how this has happened? Can you tell me? What has happened in this 5 minutes?
The help of integration. Automatically update.
So in these 5 minutes he was having coffee. What happened?
Purchase.
Stock exchange.
People
material and updated the stock.
Yeah, so goods clerk understand. So this is SAP is a centralized system, right?
Yes.
A finance accountant is accessing from his finance office. Nice AC office is setting, from there he is accessing. Same way, MM guy, stores clerk is also accessing from his godown. Both are accessing the same system or different systems?
Same system.
Same system.
So now the goods clerk is sitting 10 kilometers away. There the lorry has come. Another 50 kgs, 50 tires have come. After he has come, he will check the quantity, quality, and he will log into SAP system and say plus 50 goods received, plus 50 tires. Save. He will do like that. You got the point? So when he is just doing his job, he does not know finance. He does not know anything. He will just log into SAP system and say, I received 50 tires. Thank you. Save. So he is doing his job. But when he does his job, what will happen?
Automatic entries will be posted.
Automatic will be posted in the values.
Here one entry will be posted like this, right? Raw material account is debited. How much? 5,000. because 50 tires have come. Correct. So when this account is automatically debited, this value will become 10 plus 5. Is it clear? So that automated entries will happen automatically if you have done the successful integration. Correct. So if you have successfully implemented the FIMM integration, then whenever any change is happening, not only purchase, not only issue, any change, it is happening on the stock side, it will be updated on the finance side. Correct? Yeah. So at any point of time, on real-time basis, at any point of time, your stock and finance will be matching. Now, is it good for the company?
Yes.
So you have complete control, no? What is the stock? What is the?
Yes, sir.
They both will be matching all the times. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now, yes. Okay. So here by doing FIMM integration, what we are expecting? We are expecting the automated entries to be posted so that our FI is automatically updated whenever there is any change on the MM side. Correct?
Excuse me, sir.
Correct. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. I am unable to do maintain controlling area, sir. Can you show me the sir? Controlling area.
We are talking about FIMM integration. Controlling is first step, na? Correct? When did we do that? 1 month before?
Yesterday, sir. Yes, day yesterday.
Maintain controlling area for profit center accounting, you should say.
Configuration, sir.
Yeah. For profit center accounting, you should say. Okay. Maintain controlling area is OKKP. Are you talking about OKKP or 0KE5?
OKE5, sir.
Okay. Zero it is. Zero.
sir.
That is the problem. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Okay. Maybe you are giving OKE5, 0KE5. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, so now here how this is possible? How it is possible? How we are able to do this? Correct. There is no magic here. How the system is able to know? Here we have one word that we call it as a movement. Movement types. Okay. What is movement types? So we have something called movement in, movement out. Correct. So movement in, movement out. Correct. So now imagine. Now what we are, so when the FI should be updated,
Sir,
Yes.
can you give some notes regarding FMM integration?
Yeah. First let us understand
Okay,
and
sir.
then we will. When FI should be updated?
When the stock
Moves out
In the
and
movement
comes
in
in.
the
There is any
stock.
movement in or out?
When there is any change in stock. Correct. And when there is when the change in stock will be there, the change in stock will happen when there is a movement in the stock. Correct or not? So if my godown is there, in the godown some stock is there, how the stock will change? Either some stock should come from outside or it should go outside. Correct or not? Correct. So we have to capture this. It's like we are putting a CCTV in front of our godown. And we are observing, okay, stock has come in, update, okay, change, update. Stock is going out, okay, update. You understand? So this change or the movement we are capturing and we are updating the finance. Is it clear? Yeah. So this is what is the movement. So here the movement type we are capturing, whether it is movement in or movement out. Depending upon the movement, the system will update. If it is a movement in, obviously the stock will go or increase. If it is a movement out, stock will
Reduce.
correct. Then our FI balance also will get reduced. Is that clear? Yeah. Now, so to make this possible, what we have to do? We have to do the FI configuration. Everything is ready. Now side, we need to do the configuration, right? See, in real time, what happens is consultants will be there. They will be doing their area, correct? And once we are ready, then we will connect. The FI configuration is ready. Why I am saying that? Because we created the company code, we created the chart of accounts, everything is ready, na? Enterprise structure of FI is ready.
Yes, sir.
But whereas enterprise structure of is it ready or not?
No.
No.
Right. So in real time, who will do that?
MM
consultant.
So he will make everything ready as we are doing for FI. He will also make it ready for Then we will shake hands, right? We will sit together. Then we will connect them. Correct. That is the reality. But here we don't have people. Na? I want to do the connection. I want to show you how the change that is happening on side, how entry is getting posted automatically. I want to show you that. Because when you see only, you will get the confidence.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So to show you what I have to do now, configuration. Correct. So we will do the basic configuration. Like, in FI we have 21 steps now. Same way we will do for enterprise structure. Correct. We will do that, and then only we can connect. Okay. Yeah. So in the steps, it's not our job. It's not our job. But here to show you, we have to.
Okay.
Correct. So what is the way when we will be doing? First, we will do the consultant jobs. Okay, write down like this. Consultant jobs we have to.
Some notes.
Sir, we need to note down, sir.
Yeah. So the steps I am saying, the main subheading, consultant jobs we have. Then after doing, so here we have enterprise structure. There are about 20 steps are there. Okay, so like our enterprise structure, we have 21. Na? Same way for we have about 20 steps. We have to do that. Now, after I have done it, then we will be doing the FI consultant job. FI consultant job related to FIMM integration. Correct. Next. Then we will be doing the end user jobs. Yeah, some master records and all. Then we will do one cycle that we call it as P2P cycle. Okay, P2P means procure to pay cycle. Okay, this is very important. Procure to pay cycle. P2P cycle. Procure to pay cycle.
Procure.
Okay, note down. Note.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Right. So now here, let us write down few lines about FIMM integration. Okay. FIMM integration facilitates automatic updation of our FIGL accounts whenever there is a change in stock on MMs. Okay. This is done on real-time basis through the posting of automated entries. Of automatic entries in FI. Okay. Yeah. Okay, note down. Enough. See, this FIMM integration is very, very important. Definitely, there will be questions in the interview with regard to this. Okay, I will tell you why. Yeah, once we complete the cycle, you will understand how important it is.
Sir, P2P cycle is related to MM, sir.
P2P cycle is related to
MM.
FI and MM.
FI and MM.
Okay, sir.
SD cycle, FI and SD.
Yeah, we have another cycle in SD, that is O2C cycle we call it. Okay, that also means.
Order to cash.
Yeah, order to cash.
It's play a major role, sir, in FIMM.
Yeah, that is like, finally, in this cycle only, we will be able to see the automated entries. Okay, so it is like a basic check. After you do everything, you check whether it is working or not. So if your cycle is running properly, then your integration is working properly. That is how it is. Okay. So in P2P cycle, you will have like this, right? First is the creation of the purchase order. Creation of purchase order. Then what we have? Then goods receipt we have. Right? Then we have invoice receipt we have. Okay. Then we have the payment. Okay, this is the normal process. So we will go through here, right? So this is the ME21N T code. This is MIGO T code.
Sir, this is P2P cycle, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is MIRO. And this is the payment, our normal F-53 or whatever. Okay, this is the cycle. So once we have done all this, once we have completed all these steps, then only this cycle will run properly. So if there is any problem in this any of these steps, then the cycle will run properly. Okay, right? No.
The Fiori comes in FI or it's different thing?
Fiori is everywhere. Fiori is just an app. You have Zomato app now?
Yes.
You use now, correct? You use your Zomato app through your laptop or your mobile?
Mobile.
Yeah, so if you want to post FB50 through your mobile, correct? How can you do it? Can you do it?
I didn't got it.
Fiori, sir.
No. If you want to post FB50 entry, you want to post through your mobile.
No.
Can you do it? No. Right? So that is, they will create an app for FB50. Correct?
But we will post every 15 SAP, right?
Correct.
In SAP application.
Exactly. That is a Fiori is an app to connect to the application. So the Fiori is app. See, now the users understand like this. This is very important to understand because you cannot ask this theory question like that. Why? Because see now all these days we are thinking that we have to log into the system SAP application only, log in only, then only you can post. Correct. but the user is traveling by train. He has only mobile in his hand. Now we want to connect everything through mobile. You want to listen classes through mobile, right?
Yes,
Correct?
yes.
So how do you connect a mobile to a system? Through an app. Correct. So the user, whoever that accountant is there, for him, one app will be created for FB50. Only that screen only it is. So that app will be given to him. He will have the login access. So when he uses that app, what will happen? He can post FB50 in the system, that SAP application he will connect through his mobile, and in the mobile he will post. You got the point?
Okay.
This app, whatever I'm tagging, it can be created for all the screens.
Okay.
Understood?
Like FIMM, everything.
Anything. You got the point, no? Correct? Yeah. So that is the new technology. Simple new technology. Yeah, that is S4HANA. Next we have, that is, see here.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
So usually the T codes that you have mentioned in the P2P cycle, usually that is handled by the MM user, or is it handled by the FI user?
All.
Yeah, some of them are MM, some of them are FI. This F-53 is FI, na?
Yes, sir.
This
F-53 I have understood, so it's the FI user.
Yeah, so it will. So what you have understood, everything will start in MM, end in FI. You understand? Yes. So
Yes,
when
sir.
this guide can do the payment here, when the information is coming here like this. Correct or not? If it is not coming, if the purchase order is not created here, then invoice will not come, then payment will not happen. No? You understand?
Sir,
that's
so
how they are
basically
done.
the first three steps are done by the MM user. Only the F-53, the payment, is done by the FI user. Sir, can you put it this way?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Sir, apps per phone, sir, end users or consultants also.
No. Apps are for users only, no?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
You cannot do system configuration through app, no? No.
Yeah.
It's for users only, right? So where are we connected? There, nowhere we are connected, right? In app also they will do FD50 only. Configuration we are doing from the backend only. Correct.
Okay.
Right now. Yeah. So what
so
we have to
always use system.
Of course, na? Correct. Yeah. See, we cannot create a big app to SPRO, na? Correct.
Okay.
No, not possible. Yeah, app is simple. One small application we are loading on it.
Connecting tool.
Yes, connecting kind of. Okay.
Yeah, because sir, in most of the job description, Fiori word was there. That's why.
Yeah, good. But the question, the way you asked, you got the clarity now?
Yes.
Yeah. So it could be anywhere. SD, Fiori app, MM, whatever. Correct. Yeah. Okay, so understood now everybody, MM consultant, FI consultant, end user. Correct. Now.
So this Miro invoice receipt means invoice posting, right?
Yeah, let us do now. We will do there, right? First, let us do all this, then we will. Anyhow, we will go there, na? Correct? Yeah. The time will come when we will be there.
Sir,
okay.
ABAPers will do this Fiori, sir.
Yeah, so we have to, not ABAPers, there will be somebody who is, so if they are in S4, they have to learn little bit of Fiori also. So those guys who has the knowledge to develop the app in Fiori. Correct? Yeah. We will not to develop the apps, na?
Yes.
Do you have the knowledge to develop the app?
No.
Then how you are connected to all this? Only thing you pass on information, right? FD50 like this. Okay, based on that he will do it. Correct. And most importantly, all the apps they are already developed by SAP. Correct? For all the screens they have already developed. There are about 1,000 apps there already there. Correct. So just knowledge of it, right? What does the app mean? Fiori app means in SAP application you don't need them. Correct. You don't use them, you don't need them. Correct. It is only a support to the user using the new technology. Correct? Yeah.
So is the FI module integrated only with the MM, sir, or with all the other modules also there will be
This
an
question is
integration?
for everybody. This question is for everybody.
All the modules.
All the
Other
modules.
modules.
Correct? Of course. Na? ERP itself means all modules.
Okay, sir.
Cover S/4HANA, sir.
After this, let us first learn all this. Then in S4 we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Yeah. Now, okay. So MM consultant jobs I will start now. So you understand why we are doing MM consultant, right? MM consultant jobs. Now MM consultant jobs. Do we need to learn them, understand them?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do we need to learn them?
Not
Only for
No, not
For
required.
understanding, sir.
Yeah.
To get the result, we have to understand now first.
Yeah.
So
So,
overview would be sufficient, sir.
yeah, overview is enough. Yes, we are doing to get the work done. Correct. Yeah. Now, so we are not becoming MM consultant, no? Correct. We are not going to attend MM interview also, right? Yeah. Okay. Just understand like this. Now, so step number 1. Now, many things what we do is we don't understand. We just blindly create them. Yeah. We don't have to understand also because it is MM people's job. Correct. Yeah. Wherever we are, it is connecting to FI, those we will discuss. But other things, no need to waste our time. Correct. Yeah. Now, I will tell you one example, right? So, suppose you are attending a MM class. Okay. Do you know how do they need a company code to post MM entries? MM related? Yeah. Do they need a company code?
Yes.
Where they are maintaining?
Yes, sir.
No, company code who will create actually?
We create.
Then how they can run their classes? How do you think they will run their classes?
They'll do like us.
No, they will not do like us because they don't have to know, right? All those things that we have to talk about company code, they don't have to, right? So what they will do, they will go like this, OX02. Do you know how they do? I will show you. They copy like this.
They will use the existing one.
Copy and create. Correct. So, no need to know about all this because it is not their area, na? Correct. So, they copy and create. Simple. Yeah? So, all the parameters that are already there for this 1000 company code, they will use them by default. You understood? Correct? Yeah. Because no, they cannot understand chart of account, tolerances, posting rules, posting period, fiscal year. Yeah. Will they understand? They don't understand. Right? So now creating a new company code and assigning all the things for the company code, it's waste of time for them, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is the best thing they can do? Copy, create. Clear? So here what I am trying to say in this also, what I am trying to tell you in this also, I will be doing many copies because we don't know it and don't have to know also. Correct? I'll be copying as it is, standard structures, copying and using. Okay? Yes. So if you want to know and understand them, then you have to attend another 3 to 4 months for MM classes. Then you will understand. That is the right way to know them. See, in half an hour class, I want to know MM, all of it. It's not a correct expectation. Na? Correct? Got it? So we cannot complete also. Not possible to cover all that. Not required also. Correct. If you want to really know, then you have to spend another few months of it because there is so much subject there also. Now, an MM student is attending our classes and is saying, now FIMM integration is covered for MM also. Now, one MM student is saying, no, I want to learn full of FI. What do you answer to him? In half an hour, I want to know FI. What do you say to him? Is it possible?
No.
Really?
Possible.
Payment terms,
No, sir.
APP, can I tell him in half an hour?
No, sir.
No, that is not. Same thing here also. Same thing here also. We don't have to get into that depth. Just we are connecting. Okay? Yeah. So now step number 1. Define plans. Okay, note down. Define plans. Step number 1. Define plans. Now plant. What is a plant? Plant. Define plant. Okay. So in MM side, this is the basic structure. Define plant. Step number 2 is define define division. Okay, division. Okay, right. So one by one we will do. So let me go like this. So we are doing the consultant job. Step number 1, I am doing define plant. Okay. So go like this, /n SPRO reference IMG. Now enterprise structure. Now definition. Then we have, what is it? Logistics general. Logistics general. Here we have define, copy, delete, check, plant. Okay, note down the path. Note down the path. Step number 1.
Straight away we can do OXTN now, sir.
Sorry?
T code will be OXTN, right?
It could be there, yes. There will be some T codes also, but we will go by path. Easy. All of them are here only.
Okay.
What is plant, what is?
Plant.
Plant, yes, I can tell you. I can tell you, just 1 minute.
It is where we can start the materials.
Yeah. Okay, new entries. Yeah. 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 In logistics, a plant is an organizational unit for dividing an enterprise according to production, procurement, maintenance, and materials planning. Correct? It is a place where materials are produced and goods and services are provided. Yeah, so there is no definite, actually no specific line for it. Depends how they are dividing an organization for the purposes of materials management. Okay, yeah. A place where materials are
factory outlets, we can say.
Correct.
Factory.
Yeah, outlet is for sales.
Factories.
For management of the material, right? So they are saying it is an organizational unit for dividing an enterprise according to production, procurement, maintenance, and materials planning. Okay, right. If you want to note down, you can note down. Yeah.
After logistics, what was the path? Next step?
1 minute, I'll show you. Okay, go back.
Define company, define, copy, delete, check, plant.
Yeah, I'm going to cancel this out. Yeah, no doubt. Not. Yeah.
Sir, we don't need to practice integration, configuration also.
You have to do it, na? Otherwise your end result will not come. Right? You don't need to learn it, by heart it, or know it, but you have to do it. Why? Because when you do this only, then only you can see the complete result.
Yeah, 20 steps we need to learn, sir.
Not learn, do it.
Yes, have some idea.
Yeah.
Mainly we need to focus on FI integration, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, done. So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Go here. This one, yeah. Define, copy, delete, check, plant. Define plant. New entries. I am creating one plant. Okay, what is the name of plant? Say I'll say TE plant. Same name I am giving. Okay. This is my TEE plant 1. Okay, then country code, city code, calendar it is asking, na? Give factory calendar. Yeah, give the calendar, that's enough. Okay, no. So first I am creating the plant.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm unable to understand. Steps for plant, sir.
You don't have to understand. Just do it. Correct. This is
what I need to write down, sir.
This is just people job. Consultant job. Yeah. Okay.
We can give India, sir, here country code.
Country code. See, whatever I am giving, the way I am giving, you do it, no? Correct? Because we don't want to waste our time into all this, no? Correct? Yes. We don't have time for our FI itself, right? Correct? Why do you want to get into Just do it, blindly do it. Now, SAP street, some address I am giving, postal code, city. Now, post box, postal code, and all this. Okay, just give the address. Okay, no done. I have given everything, na?
Sir, once.
1 minute. FIMM integration.
Yes.
Okay, no done. So when you are trying to save it, it will ask. Then you will give all the address. Okay. Right. So step number 1 I have completed now. Step number 2 I am going. Next. Step number 2. What is step number 2?
Define division.
Division. Okay, division. So again I am going back to the same path. Go back. Define division. Yeah. So here division is where it is. It is here only, right? Yeah. Same path. Next step. Write down like that. Define, copy, delete, check, division. Okay. Note down.
Please show the T code also, sir. Here. T code, additional information.
Why you want to learn them?
No, sir, just for them.
Okay, now click on them. Now click on define division. Click on the new entries. So here division. The division. What is a division? Division. So a division, right? Yeah. So a way of grouping the material, products or services. Okay, it is a way of grouping of the materials, products or services. All right? No. A division is nothing but grouping. It is nothing but grouping of a division is a way of grouping of materials, products or services. So we say na, like if you go to a apparel store, right? Yeah, somewhere, right? Reliance Trends, if you go, they'll say they do the grouping na division, yeah, kids division. Correct na? Adults division, right? We have like that na division. They are grouping of the materials, products or services. Okay, so let's go there. Now here clicking the, so what division, what is our company code? Tesla Energy, right? Okay, energy. What group divisions we can have?
Inverters.
Say we have
Hyderabad.
Solar. Solar.
Lithium battery.
Okay.
Inverters.
Tesla Energy.
Solar.
Capacitors.
Solar. Electric.
Lithium ion batteries, lead acid batteries. Like
We are not battery manufacturing company, na? Tesla Energy.
Tesla battery.
So division is
Talking about stock.
The division one.
Sorry?
Division one, sir, simply.
Okay, T1. Simple. You made my life easy. Okay, now so TEE division 1.
Like laptops one,
Maybe.
and whatever we.
Okay, now D1 I have created. Save. Okay, so now I've done the step number 2 also, right? So you always have to, whenever you are doing, you try to note down what you created, because next coming steps it will ask. If you forget, then it is difficult. Again, you have to trace it back. So after you are doing, try to maintain it. Okay. Yeah, try to record it. Try to record it. Okay.
is this question any chance to ask in interviews?
Which one?
Consultant job with different plans.
No, they will ask.
No, okay. They will ask only what is the FIMM integration and P2P cycle. Okay.
Yeah, I will. So coming steps where we are connecting. So some places we will connect.
Okay.
So, right. So that connection where we are connecting, that part we should know.
Okay.
Correct. This is the entire MM side, but entire MM will not connect to FI. Now, one place will be there where we are connecting the GL with MM. That point, what we are connecting, that point we should know. Correct. That I will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Now step number 3. Note down next. Maintain storage location. Maintain storage location. What is a storage location? Storage location, where we are storing
Warehouses.
warehouses. In the warehouse, again storage location. Now warehouse is like 3 acres or 4 acres of land. Now where my materials are there, like raw material, tires, where they are, like which raw material is there?
Rake one, cell phone like that, sir.
Yes, exactly. See, if you go to the big go downs, they have a place or so locations will be different,
Blocks.
Correct.
Blocks like A1, A2,
Exactly.
A3.
Exactly. Right? That is what we are creating. So one storage location for raw material, another storage location for finished goods, another location for semi-finished goods. Like that they can have.
Blocks. Under location also, sub location also.
Exactly. So in the plant, they will have storage locations. Understand? Yeah. Okay. So now go back like this. Go back. Now here you will go to materials management. Here maintain storage location. Okay. No doubt. Maintain storage location. Okay. Click on this. Now what is my plant? My plant is PE plant. No? Okay. Just 1 minute. I'm getting a call. Okay, let's proceed. Yeah, now. So now plant, what is our plant name? T, right? Okay, press enter. Now new entries, I'll give the storage location like this. Okay, say raw material 1. So this is my raw material storage location. Okay, same way I will create FG1. This is my finished goods storage location, correct? Okay, note down 2 storage locations I am creating. You can create many.
Work in progress.
You can create as many, whatever they want, we will create. Not we, consultant will create. Okay. Now save.
Part of this.
Okay, no.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you once explain that Migo and Miro? I missed that part because of power cut.
No, we have, that is our future. Once we complete this, we will do it practically. Yeah, don't worry. We will do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Dana, that's step number 3, right? Step number 4. 4 is maintain purchase organization. Okay, no doubt. Maintain purchase organization. Maintain purchase organization. So purchase organization is organization that is responsible to do the purchasing in a company. So purchasing organization. Correct? So there will be certain organizations who are responsible for the purchase of a material. Yeah. Okay. Purchasing organization is a organizational unit responsible for the purchasing of a material.
This is raw material, sir. Responsible for the purchase of raw material.
Purchasing of a material, any material. Correct? Yeah. Generally raw material. But you cannot have a fixed rule now. We will not buy other materials, right? Yeah.
This explanation is only knowledge purpose, sir. They won't
only knowledge.
Okay.
Only knowledge. Actually, I did not wanted to give, but people are asking. Correct.
Okay,
not required all this. Wasting our time. But they are asking me, that's why I'm giving. Okay. No.
Sir, no need, sir. Just tell. We'll just go on because only we completed 4 steps only today. 20 in there, right?
They can see the explanation in SAP screen also, no, sir?
Right, sir.
Correct,
I think
correct.
we are wasting time in this.
Yes. So maintain purchase organization. Right? So I'll just give you an overview. I will not be giving any more definitions. Yeah, is that okay? Yeah. So now,
yes, sir.
So maintain purchase organization. So okay, now click on the new entries. Right. So give the purchase organization name. Something. What is our organization? TEPO. Yeah, something like that. I'm giving. This is my TEE purchase organization. Okay. Yeah. Some name, 4 characters we are giving. Save. Enter. Step number 5. Step number 5. 5 is assign. Note on. Assign plant to company code. Okay, plant to company. So I am linking our plant to our company code. Okay. Now, so we will go like this. Go back. Assigning. We are going into assigning now. Yeah. We'll go back. So now here we have definition is over. Now we are going into assignment. In assignment, we are talking about what? Assigning. Go to logistics general. Here we are assign plant to company. So I'm saying this plant is under this company. Okay, note down the path. So click on this assign plant to company code. Now click on the new entries. I'll give my company code. What is my company code? TE. What is my plant? TE. Correct. So Tesla Energy is the company code. Plant is Tesla. TE. Okay, that is step number 5. Next. Save. What is the next step we have? Again, assignment only. Okay, note down. Assign, step number 6. Assign purchase organization to company code. Organization to company code. Okay, now let's go like this. So go back. Assign purchase. Go back like this. Here again go to materials management. Under material management, assign purchase organization to company. Okay, note down. Note down the path. Okay, now click on this. Now here you click on the position. What is your purchase organization? TEPO. For TEPO, what is the company code? TE. Correct? Right, now save. Okay, that is step number
6.
Can you please repeat the steps once? The path.
This one, yeah. Okay, no.
So TEP just now created or already created? Sir?
No. I created not just now. Step number what it is? 4.
Okay.
Step number.
Okay.
Step number 4, sir.
4, yes. So here. So we created here RM1, comma FG1. Here I created TEPO. Now here what I am doing? Assign plant to company. What is my plant name? TE. So TE I am linking to TE only, right? Both are same. Purchase organization I am linking TEPO to company. Correct. Next, step number 7. This we have done already.
We need to assign division.
At once. Okay. Step number 7. Step number 7 is assign what? Assign purchase organization
to division.
Purchase organization to plant. Okay, that is step number 7. Okay, again go back here. Go back. Here, assign purchase organization to plant. Next, same path, next step. Okay, note down. Click on this. Click on the new entries. I give my purchase organization TEPO. What is my plant? TE. Okay, enter. Save. Right? Good. So next step number 8. 8 is what? 8 is create purchasing group. Create purchasing group. Okay. Okay, so we will do this tomorrow. Okay, guys. So there is a T code here. We will go to the T code OM4 and we will. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, one question, sir. When I attempt an interview, they are asking about CFIN, sir. Central finance. What is that?
Central finance is in case when you are doing S4, if you have finance in multiple places. If you are maintaining your finance separately in different countries, first before you do the S4 implementation, you try to put it under, bring it under one banner, centralize the financial services. Right? So you try to, centralize it in one thing. So you are working on that part before you can go to S4. That is possible. Okay. Yeah. So that is only very big organizations. They will be doing the central finance. CFIN is different.
Sir, interview are asking S4 or not, sir?
Sorry?
Interview are asking about S4 or not, sir?
S4 we will do now. Once we have completed this, we will do S4 only. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, send you one mail, sir. Please see to it once.
Okay. What is your name?
Haider.
Okay. I'll have a look. Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow.